Oftentimes the misperception people have is that I, as a lawyer and I'm a nurse, could write a letter to a doctor and say, "Dear Dr. So-and-so, these are the things you did wrong, 1, 2, 3, 4. And that doctor will say, "You know, you're right. I think I'll just settle." That doesn't happen. No one means to ignore a problem, but problems can get missed and people can die as a result of that, or the damages can be extremely harmful to a person and to the family. Those are a result of negligence, sometimes gross negligence. It depends. Sometimes there might be a policy that's in the hospital that people are supposed to follow and they don't. And the reason they don't is because they didn't know about it. So that's partially the fault of the hospital, but it also may be the fault of the nursing staff if they understand that there should be a policy and they never ask, why isn't there one, or why don't we know about it? My nursing background really enables me to look at the medical records. So when a person from Texas, Houston, or Beaumont gives a call to my office, what we have them do is send in the records if we think that there might be negligence there, and then I have the opportunity to look at those records. And if I'm not able to determine myself whether there was liability or not, in Texas I can call various experts who I may have worked with in the past or who I know of from my colleagues who work with me in Houston. In order to prove a medical malpractice case or a medical negligence case, you have to have expert testimony, and those experts have to be in the same specialty as those persons who were at fault, allegedly. So I may have to have a neurosurgeon or a radiologist or nurses or a combination of all of the above who would be able to testify that this in fact was the wrong thing to do or the right thing to do wasn't done and caused damages to that patient. It's very gratifying to help someone form a settlement that's going to be able to help them to reestablish their lives, even if it's not to the level that it once was in terms of work or career. But it's gratifying to see that and to help people, and they really do appreciate it.